Hello, welcome back to the Dad Delivers vlog where we try Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome back to the Dad Delivers vlog where we try to make your family happy. We try new things every week to make your family happy. Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome back to the Dad Delivers vlog where I try new things every day to make your family happy. I try it every day. I don't actually put all of them online. Maybe I should. I might do that over the next few weeks. Anyway, today we're going to unbox this. It's a Joie, or is it Joie Trillo or Trillo Group 2/3 baby car seat or car seat for children. This is just a quick impressions first review. Sorry, we've got a birthday situation going on here. It's really difficult, isn't it, buying car seats, because unless you go to the store and see it yourself and sit in it, it's really difficult to decide which one to get for your child. You'd think on some level they're all safe. So then it just comes down to, does it fit in your car and how good does it look? Let's open this one up. I had a few spoiler shots there of what this actually looks like, but that's in the future. I'm gonna open this in real time. The color of this one is Ember, and you can get them in all kinds of designs. This one is in the Liverpool Football Club colors. So it actually looks like those seats that you get on the side of the stadium, which, you know, those are seats for children. I need to clear a space for this. Whoa. You get this as 3 parts. Whoa, instructions. What I love about the Trillo is that it's got a cup holder. No, it's got 2 cup holders. Look at that. Helpfully, it comes with this little booklet in which it lists every car's compatibility. I guess I should have really checked this on our car first before my sister got it. She's bought it for her 5-year-old son, and according to Joie, this seat is good for kids all the way up to 12 years old. Definitely got to get my 12-year-old in this to test that. I'm putting this together in real time. So you can see how I do it. Do not take this as how you should do it and, you know, go suing me. Is that even necessary to say that? Obviously, follow the instructions. I'm not qualified in any respect for any of this, you know, to be a dad. Apparently, you've got to get the headrest and put it on the back. And I'm going to put this into here. And there's some buttons on the back here. Oh, right, no, you pull this latch and that pulls the buttons in. You can use that to adjust the height of the headrest. And I think I'm supposed to tuck this under here. And then I can clip this to the bottom, put the back on. I've got to clip these U-shapes at the bottom here. If I push them down onto the base, just push it down like this. Can't do it. You swine. So that one went in easily. Obviously this one doesn't. That won't go. See, my kids are now, you know, 11 and 14, so I'd forgotten the joys of babydom. Oh, that didn't sound good. Let's try again. I bet there's a video on their website showing it going in instantly. This is not going to sound good. Here we go. There we go. So now it's locked into place. Now if I spin this round, you can adjust the headrest with this latch here, and there are also instructions for how to fit it with either a seatbelt or with the ISOFIX. I'm going to attach this using the ISOFIX catches. So let's get this into the car. We're going to go swimming. Do you know, it's sad that my beautiful 14-year-old is holding the camera. I used to put the car seat in for you like this, and I used to be sleep deprived and angry. Well, I still am. Because of me? Yeah, because of you. So if you're sleep deprived, you will actually miss this when you're older, I promise. You can pull this out here and you can... I love how you know how to do this. I know. It's like, if only I could like monetize this knowledge somehow. So if you're lucky enough to have ISOFIX, you want to point it down here. Can you see that? I'll pull this. Oh, can you put it over there? I like sitting there. Jump cuts. Okay, on the other side then. See, we can't do it this way round because I'm in the way. There we go, it's just Velcro. Oh God, look at the state of our car.
Blame that on dog.
Does your car look like this? Leave a comment down below. And you just get the hook and
clip it to that.
Clip it to the ISOFIX thing. And then I think you can tighten it up. Hang on. Can you see that going in?
Do all cars have ISOFIX?
No, they don't. They don't. So if your car doesn't...
What are you going to do if you don't have it?
Well, apparently you would use just the... yeah, I can't put that in because I don't know if that is true. Anyway, to tighten the ISOFIX, I pull the strap.
That's for another video.
Yeah.
What happens if you don't have iSuperX?
Yeah, look, I'll put something in the description because I can't be bothered to look it up right now. And then shall I move the seat back so you can see it? Can you get me some shots that I can play music over it and it looks really like an advert so that Joie will sponsor me for videos like this? I think I'll need 50,000 subscribers before companies allow me to demonstrate their products. Why not hit the subscribe button while I'm not being sponsored, and you'll get to see the reality of what it's like to be a dad. So this is a test with actual 6-year-old, 18 kilos, so just over the 15 kilo. What does it feel like? And then to get the seatbelt over, let's put the seatbelt through the red holder here, and then this goes underneath. You able to pull that over? Well done. Under the armrest there.
There you go.
Great, and then you put this over your shoulder, like that, and then we're good to go. Are you okay there? So I feel I'm shouting in your ear. Thank you for being awesome and hitting the thumbs up button. What else should they do?
Can you like and subscribe too?
That is an excellent idea, Ollie. Thank you.
Can you please help my dad get to 1 million subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks. Bye. Can we have dinner now?